There's a world of subscribers who'd love to watch your videos. The problem? They don't speak the same language. YouTube keeps growing globally, but creators only optimize for English, missing millions of potential viewers who search in their native languages. Here's how TubeBuddy's auto-translator breaks through language barriers and captures audiences worldwide. Open any video you've uploaded in YouTube Studio. Click on Languages in the left sidebar. You'll see TubeBuddy's audience language data, showing the top 10 languages spoken by your channel's viewers. See that 20.7% of your audience speaks Hindi? That's thousands of potential views you're missing. Click Add Language on the right side. Choose Hindi from the drop-down menu or select any of the 40+ languages available. New fields appear for title and description in that language. Hit Auto-Translate and TubeBuddy instantly converts your English title and description into perfect Hindi. Click Update and you're done. Now, when Hindi speakers search for your topic in their language, your video appears in the results. Even better, YouTube's auto-dubbing will dub your video in Hindi and your professionally translated title and description will be ready to match. Repeat this process for each of your top audience languages to watch your global reach explode. Stop limiting yourself to English-only audiences and start showing up in every language your viewers understand.